issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Mason County until 10 a.m. At 9:17 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Havana, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Easton around 9:25 a.m.